Your resume isn't just a record of past jobs, it's a strategic tool designed to make a strong first impression. In a matter of seconds, recruiters decide whether to keep reading or move on. Welcome back. I am Georgia from Mentivia. In our last discussions, we've explored the immense power of storytelling in your job search. Now, let's zoom in on your resume, a critical tool that functions as a concise career snapshot. It's not just a list. It's a strategically crafted document designed to grab attention and communicate your value quickly. We'll break down the key components that make a resume impactful, from writing a strong summary to showcasing achievements with measurable results. You'll learn how to structure your experience to reflect growth, use action verbs that convey initiative, and align your resume with the roles you're targeting. By the end, you'll have a clear framework to build a resume that tells your story with precision and power. Every great story needs a strong opening, and your resume is no different. It must begin with a compelling summary or a powerful headline. This isn't just a formality. It's your elevator pitch, designed to immediately tell the recruiter who you are, what you offer, and what your career objectives are, all within the first few seconds of their review. Once you have their attention, it's crucial to move beyond simply listing job responsibilities. Recruiters want to see your impact. For each role, highlight your key achievements. Think about what you accomplished, not just what you did. What problems did you solve? What initiatives did you lead? Quantify these achievements whenever possible to demonstrate tangible value. Your resume should also tell a story of growth. It needs to clearly show progression through job titles. Recruiters look for evidence of increasing responsibility, skill development, and upward mobility. This demonstrates your ambition, your capacity to learn, and your ability to take on more complex challenges over time. The language you use on your resume is incredibly powerful. Employ strong action verbs at the beginning of each bullet point. Instead of saying responsible for managing a team, say led a team of 5. Words like developed, achieved, optimized, and generated create a sense of initiative and impact, making your contributions stand out and resonate with recruiters. And speaking of impact, always quantify your results. Numbers are universal and provide concrete evidence of your success. Did you increase sales by 15%? Reduce costs by $10,000? Improve efficiency by 20%? These metrics transform vague statements into compelling, undeniable proof of your value and contributions. By meticulously applying these elements, a strong summary, key achievements, clear progression, action verbs, and quantified results, you transform your resume from a simple document into a dynamic, results-driven snapshot. It becomes a compelling narrative that captures recruiter attention and clearly articulates your professional value. Remember, your resume is often the first impression you make. Make it count by ensuring it's a powerful, concise snapshot of your career journey, highlighting your best self. Start crafting your impactful resume today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep expanding your knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to stay connected and never miss new content. For even more free educational resources, head over to mentivia.com, your hub for videos, e-learnings, and articles across science, history, and beyond.